You first open your browser and you type code.visualstudio.com. So from here you have to choose your operating system and then click on the download button. So you click on this button here and then you choose your operating system. If you are using the Mac OS, you click on Mac OS here and you click on the download button here, or Windows or Linux. Okay, so as I'm using Windows, I will click on my Windows and click on the download button here. I already have the Visual Studio Code installed in my machine, so I will not download it anymore. Okay, so just click on download and then the download will proceed. So after downloading, make sure you install your Visual Studio Code and then you open it. So once you are done opening, here is the interface. This is what it will look like for the first time. Okay, this is what your Visual Studio Code will look like. So what we are going to do, let's try to install our extension. Okay, so you scroll down here, you can see extension here, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Okay, it will direct you to the extension. So I'll click on the extension here and then in my search bar I will search for live server, and the first one here, click on install. Wait for it to install. It is installing. You can see here installing. Very good. Once the installation has been done successfully, you close your window and then we will try now to create your first web page. Okay, your first HTML page. So you now click on file here, file and new text file. Here select a language or fill with template. So I click on select a language and I will type in HTML. Here we go. Very good. So here we will not write anything, but let's try to save our document first. So I'll go back again and click on file, scroll down, save as, and then you will save this file as index.html and you save it. Okay, I already have a document like that. Very good. As you can see here on top here, you see the name of your file, index.html. So we are going to create our first page